okay? Sorry, but I don't have that much of a voice today, so I'll do my best to talk. The giveaway, my big crazy giveaway is closed, and these are the folks that have made a video response, and I just want to show you the names here. There were 26 video responses. 26 people emailed me with their links. They told me where to find their video responses and so forth, which was part of the rules. This one lady emailed me and she said, "Sandy, I made a video response." And that's all she said. Oh, she didn't say she made a video response. She said, "I posted about your giveaway on Instagram." Just one quick sentence. No link, no nothing. I don't know her Instagram name. So, I tried looking for her. I couldn't find her. So, I even emailed her back and waited several hours, and she never got back with me. So I'm sorry, but that disqualifies her, because I can't be expected to go and look through thousands or hundreds of Instagram accounts that I may or may not be subscribed to find her post. So, like I said, one of the rules was you emailed me with your link. So anyways, these are the participants, and I did make a playlist in my channel of all of those who made video responses and who emailed me with their links. And I know that my handwriting is really bad, but I hope you can understand. So there are 26, and I'm going to go ahead and switch camera angles. And not camera angles, we're going to go ahead and share my desktop and to see who the winner is, okay? And if you want to see what the winner wins, what the big giveaway is, I'll link you to that giveaway video in the description area below. And I just want to give you all a heads up. Gosh, my throat hurts. Pretty soon, sometime in December, early December, I will be coming out with another video, which is also going to be a giveaway. I don't know if it's going to be a big giveaway, medium size, or what. It all depends on what I find. And this video is going to be titled something about my craft room, thinning out my craft room, or let's see, let me think. Something about thinning up. I'm making a note to myself so that I could remember to title it. Thinning up my craft room, because guys, I have tons of stamps that I no longer use. Maybe some papers. I don't know. I just have to see. And anyways, I'm not going to title the next one giveaway, but it will be a giveaway, and it'll say thinning up my craft room. So I don't know yet if it's going to be alive or not. It's probably going to be a recorded one, and more than likely no voice, because I am having vocal surgery again. Somewhere between the latter part of November and early December. So I'm just letting you know that now. I'm giving you the heads up. Okay, enough of my rambling because my throat hurts. So thank you all so much for supporting my channel and supporting my giveaway. And by the way, the rules are pretty much going to be the same exact. So that's, so y'all know. So be ready with those video responses and, email me the link and everything, okay? And this is what the title is going to be. Let me highlight it. Hang on. Thinning out, not up. Well, you know what I mean. Thinning out my craft room. Like I said, more than likely, it's going to be pre-recorded, not live. And obviously, no voice, because I've got none. I want my voice back. Like that song that says, all I want for Christmas is my voice. Okay, good luck to the winner. Winner, please contact me within 72 hours. Let me write it down. 72 hours. You're going to email me. You should already know my email address. You're going to email me from your Google account that you emailed me with, this information. And, you're going to email me with your full name and mailing address. No P.O. box, please, because this is going to be a big box, okay? No P.O. box. So, with your U.S. mailing address, no P.O. box. And you have 72 hours. Let me highlight that. And I want to say, if you do not email me within 72 hours, you will forfeit your prize, and I will do a redraw. Okay? So, let's see who won. Good luck, everybody, and thank you for